Hi, I'm Mohammed Ali and I'm from the YouTube channel Mohammed Ali Travel. I'm super glad that you clicked this video, as I would love to share how I create powerful thumbnails. Before we go into the details, I would love to share some thoughts about the topic itself. Thumbnails plays an important role. You can't imagine. Thumbnails are like invitation cards for new audience, and I would like to explain it with an example. Imagine you're in a bookshop. You have 10 books in front of you. Which book are you going to buy? To make the decision, you're not going to read each book and then make the decision to buy. You will look at the cover of the book, maybe at the summary of the book, and then at the end make a decision to buy. The same it works with videos. You have thousands of videos with the same content from different providers. Which of those videos you would like to watch? In order to stand out, one way is to create a powerful, attractive thumbnail. For me, there are 3 criteria when it comes to thumbnail. 1, the thumbnail is a true reflection of your video content. That's so important. You don't want to disappoint the audience who clicked on the thumbnail to watch your video, as otherwise it would discourage them to watch other videos from your YouTube channel, as they would think it would be a waste of time. Second, the message must be clear. The title that you choose must be sneaky. It needs to create interest for your new audience to click, and must be something that is different than to other videos. Lastly, the thumbnail has to be simple. You don't want to overcolor your thumbnail, have here and there and this to distract and confuse the audience. You want to keep it simple but attractive. And here's how I do it for this video that I'm going to upload. Now, first of all, I will type www.mohammedali.tv, and once loaded, I will scroll to the bottom of the page where I have 3 useful links. The one that I'm focused on is the background remover and the thumbnail creator. I have a video about the background remover, which I use to extract the person from the image, as I usually use the person in my thumbnail. And the thumbnail creator is the tool Canvas, which I use. It offers a great range of free features and I really love it. Initially, to create the thumbnail, it takes time to create the template, but once you have the template, it makes your life easy to create the next thumbnail from this template for the upcoming videos. So I save a lot of money. So this one is, as you know, the background image remover, where you upload an image and then as a result extract the person which you would love to use in your thumbnail. And the other link was the put me down Canvas tool, where you can see I have already started to edit. Now what you can see is that this is the format of the YouTube thumbnail. I have here a layer which I added here, which is the cake, and I have edited the cake, and as you can see I could change here, apply a filter, but what I usually use, which is sufficient, is the photogenic feature fresco, which make it looks delicious and attractive. Then I have 2 titles. One which is A Day With Me, where I can change easily the color, the font, the size, but what I like the most is the style, which is quite easy, and I usually go with Lift, which has the front color front 4 and then the shadow. Then in cinematic style, I have the title featured by Valeria Madeira, and then as you can see, this is the person which I extracted from background image, which I added here, and I'm finished. So as you can see, it's quite straightforward. Now, as I said, the thumbnail needs to reflect the true content of your video. It needs to be attractive and simple, and that's the way to go. And once you have it finished, you can click on download, which will download the thumbnail for your video. I really hope you liked this quick tutorial. I can really recommend to use the thumbnail creator canvas, but you may use a different one. If you do use, please comment below. I would love to hear. And if you have any questions about this tool, you're more than welcome to ask me. I will be happy to answer it. See you the next time, and wish you luck on your journey to YouTube. See you.
Every week on YouTube. Follow my dream and be part of my life on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest updates.